Hey, yo, Cedric, what are you doing here?
What's up? What's up? I'm just chilling, man.
Check this out. What do you think is this?
Looks like an exhaust.
Of course, it's a titanium. That's why it's so light. Take a wild guess. What do you think? What car are we installing?
By the looks of it, it's definitely a supercar.
Yep.
2 inlets, 2 outlets. It's a Mclaren 4-liter V8 720.
You got it right. Come on, let's go show you the car.
Okay, let's go. So, why is there 2 McLarens here?
Surprise! One more, they're installing it there. Let's go have a look. Okay, so you guys are lucky today. We have 2 McLarens to install our exhaust. One is a titanium, this is a stainless steel, and this is the stock exhaust here. So most of the time we get question of asking what's the difference between stainless steel and titanium.
For the audience knowledge, what's the biggest difference between a titanium exhaust and the stainless steel exhaust? First is the weight. You see, with this titanium exhaust, one hand I can easily carry this, not a problem. Whereas for the stainless steel, even with 2 hands, you see, it's so much heavier. In general, it's 50% lighter compared to the stock exhaust and the stainless steel exhaust. The second thing, what's the main difference? The difference is the thickness of the exhaust. Titanium is actually much thinner, creating a much raspier and much high-pitched tone. Whereas the stainless steel, the lining is thicker. So it creates a deeper sound and deeper tone for the exhaust pitch. So just now we were talking about difference in materials. Now let's talk about different designs. So from my left, you can see here, this is our Veleno X-pipe design, whereas this is a stock H-pipe design. So what's the difference? For X-pipe, it creates a much high pitch and much raspier tone. Usually for V8 and 8-cylinder cars, it performs much better. That's why we definitely go for X-pipe design. Now let's talk about power. When you have 2 exhaust pipes, the velocity in one header increases. The pressure of the adjacent tube is lowered, causing the exhaust to be sucked out of that cylinder. So in conclusion, X design performs much better, especially in higher speeds. And the most obvious for the stock exhaust is so much restricted. Look at this muffler. It's 2 sides of my hand compared to our Veleno X pipes. It's all straight through.
Okay, so guys, now the installation is halfway through. I'm going to show you a bit of the process. As you can see, the Catback system is already in place, sitting in its position. The wirings is attached. So for this stainless steel, we are using our valve control system, whereas the titanium will be using the stock valve system. And then both of these cars, they are also still using the stock cat, which is the downpipes. As you can see, this Mclaren, just to get to the Catback system, we have to take out almost the fenders, the wheels, the wings, almost every part of the body to reach the Catback system. For the installation part, we'll leave it to the professionals to get it done. Okay, so now you guys heard the cold start of the engine, both the titanium and the stainless steel. Let's show you guys the rev. So now, let's show you the sound difference between valve on and valve off in the stainless steel Catback exhaust with our Valvetronic system. So we have a remote here.
Sounds pretty stock. Sounds pretty stock.
Let's try it on the sport mode, the valve on. Alright.
This is what we are chasing for.
Okay, so now Cedric's gonna try on the titanium revs.
This is actually the OEM exhaust, so we won't have a controller. All right, let's give it a hear.
Nice, nice. This is in a sport mode. How about the comfort mode? So with the OEM, comfort mode is actually turning off the valve as well.
There's actually also a soft limiter at 4,000 RPM, so we can't hear much. Let's take it on the road later to let you guys hear what it sounds outside. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. So let us know what you think. Does the stainless steel or does the titanium sound better? Or does it even need more modification? Maybe a D-cat downpipe or a cat downpipe,
yeah.
or maybe even a stage 2 tube.
So if you want to see more modifications video, whether it's the McLaren or any other cars, make sure you subscribe, like and share.